Hey guys, before you see this video, I just wanted to say I had a really good time at Comic-Con and I made pretty much all my costumes, so that's why I felt that I needed to upload this and that, and I just love the costume contest, so there's a lot of clips from that. Hope you guys enjoy. Are you even getting yourself? I don't know, am I? Yes.
Maybe. I think so.
Love it.
There you go.
Good
Got you.
content.
Hi.
Also here at Comic-Con.
Across the seas and restore the heart of Tapiti.
Excellent. Which I know because she said
my cousin's name too. I should have got that right.
Give it for Zaya, everybody. Come on, right here. You gotta show them your feet. Show them your feet.
Whoa, those are awesome. Those are fierce.
Awesome. I'm just following around awkwardly with the microphone. Keep going, you're doing great.
I didn't really prepare a speech, but do I really need one? Don't really got much going on up here. It's all about the looks.
Don't let him touch you. You will die. I'm gonna hold this here speaker to make sure it's safe. Hi.
And she's 4, everybody. She's 4, right? Yeah, come on, you do a better pose. I'm gonna do better than that. Give it up for She 4!
B&B Diner. How can I help you today? And thank you for being our guest. Oh, hello, Gaston. What do you have today?
Hello, Belle. Are you today's special?
Oh, what a...
No.
Come on, guys. Deadpool with the... Oh, it's alright. It's alright.
Batteries don't include people.
Well played.
Here, let me grab this one, and then... Wait.
Give me my hand!
Give it for Deadpool, everybody. Look at this, rocking some C batteries. I like it.
Hey!
Worth it! Give it up for Deadpool, everybody!
He just dropped the funky chicken on you.
I like it.
In those shoes, though.
Talon! Cool. Whoever does the best. Nice job. Ladies and gentlemen. Uh-oh.
I don't have any powers, I just saw the ad.
Got sunscreen all over my body.
The wind is howling like this swirling soul inside. Let it go, turn away and let it go. I don't care, and here I'm safe. Let the storm rage on.
People outside the school, with a couple of guys who were up to no good. Started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight, my mom got sick. She said,
is the Night Solare, everybody!
Next up, keep it going for our best female Princess Skeletor.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, your best group of the night. Let's hear it for Moana and Tafini.
Y'all are literally having a moment right now. That was beautiful. Best anime, which is sponsored by Right Stuff Anime. Let's hear it for Nurse Joy. And the best in show. Drum roll, please.
Come on, let's hear it on your thighs to simulate tension.
Make some noise for Vaporeon! Vaporeon is doing this amazing custom shield, courtesy of Shield Labs. Absolutely gorgeous. This is for you. There you go. Wizard World Columbus, these are your winners. Make some noise.
Taking a video.
Oh yeah, no.
Oh, just me complaining. I love it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, what's your hot take on this year's Comic-Con?
My hot take is that it was boring, but I mean, I had fun, like looking stupid. But they need to step up their game next year. But that's just my onion.
I need less booth selling Funko Pops. More booths.
Oh
with
my
other
God!
things.
Funko Pops were 5 years ago. It's over. Stop trying to sell one for $40.
It's true. All in all, though.
Also, my other hot take, we need less Lego figures. I saw 3 tables dedicated to selling Lego figures.
Me again. Hope you guys liked this video, and be sure to check out my video from a couple years ago where I went to the same Comic-Con. It was kind of different then, but overall I had a good time, as I said at the beginning, and I'm very hot and sweaty. My boots are ripped and my guitar is destroyed, so I am gonna get out of this Haruko outfit. See ya!
Oh, wait, we're doing this now? Sorry. What's the demographic here?
I couldn't tell you, honestly.
I could, and it's all people living in their mom's basement.
Oh my God, trash.
You know, like my brother.
This is too mean for
Not
you
name
two.
dropping, but Alex, move out.